Here's another spreadsheet set up as a database, as you can imagine. We've got the columns, operation type, urgency code, patient ID. Those are text columns, despite the numbers in the patient ID column. It's because they're left justified. You can tell they're text. Excel even warns us that they're text by that little drop-down box. It says, "Are you sure that you want that number to be stored as a text?" But we do, because they're an ID. The patient age, length of stay, and cost per day. So what I'm trying to demonstrate here is that you can, Excel has got some kind of fancy little tools if you want to fill things in. So one thing you might want to fill in is you might want an ID number for each person. So let's insert a column to the start of the line, start here, and put an ID in there. Now we could go down and type in 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would be a fine thing to do. But another way to do it is to just drag that first cell down and go all the way down to the end. If you right-click and you drag on that bottom little thing, it'll give you some options. It doesn't just, you could either copy the cell, so that would just put a 1 in there, but also we could fill series, and so that will fill in the numbers between 1 and 50, 51 it looks like. And sure enough, it filled all those in for us. So now we've got an ID that's between 1 and 51. Another thing you might want to do, so that's called autofill. It fills it in for you. You can actually also, another quick autofill is to fill it in without having to drag. And here we're going to say, what's the total cost? So the total cost is